All right, this is Brent Marv with BP Kitchen Equipment. We have here a 2023 Bizerba GSP HD slicer. In this video, we're going to be going over just the cosmetic condition of the slicer. We're not going to be going over the refurbishment process or what is we do here at BP Kitchen Equipment, or going over the differences between the HD model or a manual model. This video is purely to showcase the cosmetic condition, because sometimes photos just don't do things justice. All right, so what we'll do is we're going to start on this side of the slicer, then we will wrap our way around until we look at the back. All right, so this slicer is overall in pretty good shape. This is honestly the majority of the wear right here. It's got a scuff here and a couple, like one of those scuffs that goes down right there. Besides that, it's got some pretty small nicks and scratches right here. The use area is in pretty good shape. It's got one little mark back there, but besides that, it's in pretty good shape. The HMI is in fantastic condition. No discoloring, works perfectly fine. Even in a knob also works very well. Then you see here, we can look at the gauge plate. This gauge plate is in really good shape. Not sure if these photos will be able to bring it up, but there are some really light scratching right there, just in that area. But then everything else is totally fine. All right, the gauge plate. The gauge plate is also in fine condition. It has basically these 4 nicks right here. Besides that, it's relatively bereft of scratches. The blade does have a little bit of wear where this gauge plate was pushing down on it. What we did is we replaced this knob with another one, and now the gauge plate is not coming into contact. This blade also has plenty of life left on it, as you can see. And these moorings will not affect the condition of the slicer at all. In fact, it'll probably need to be replaced well before it even gets to this first little outer scratch right here. Let's put that back. Yeah, besides that, the aluminum body's in really good shape. The carriage is also in excellent condition. Normally we see wearing that moves down here as this little white film. You can see right here slides up and down. It's kind of a telltale sign that it's not been used that much. Yeah, the meat grip on it is brand new. And the slicer has been fully calibrated according to our refurbishment process. I'll be doing a video on that later just to show people what it is we do here at BP, and include a teardown video of the slicer and rebuild. But for the meantime, let's look over the videos. You can turn it on, pressing the green button. And right when you turn it on, it'll need to do a reference one. As you can see, it's flashing blue right here. So what it'll do is the machine will stagger forward and backward. Then it'll move backwards slowly, figure out where the back is at. Move forward, figure out where the front is at. Then now the reference run is calibrated. From here, we can just turn this blade on. So currently only the blade is on. This is basically manual mode of the slicer. So as you can see, it is technically an assisted manual mode. Makes it a lot easier to move it back and forth. Now let's turn the speed down and turn it into automatic mode. Let's turn the speed up a little bit. Slow away. Medium. And slow. And we can also change the carriage reference. So see here, extends past the gauge plate, that piece of extruded aluminum right there. Turn it down to medium. Extend about there. Right about there. And back to full. Slicer's in great shape. Again, I'll be going more over the refurbishment process, but we do everything here. We calibrate the gauge plate right here. We lubricate this arm in the back, lubricate the arm that this carriage actually slides on. We make sure that the carriage turns off right at 0. I'll be doing a video on that in the future, but for the time being, let me know if you have any questions about the slicer. This is Brent Marv, BP Kitchen Equipment. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day.